This is an emergency broadcast from the British Broadcasting Corporation. Do not turn off your TV. Do not switch to another channel. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please stand by, please stand by, please stand by. There has been a dangerous unknown illness going around in the London area of the United Kingdom. We concluded the illness name is the smiler virus. The symptoms are bleeding eyes, aching pain around the face area, uncontrollable laughter, violence, and the most obvious is the big smile that the smilers have. Another obvious appearance is they have roots and branches growing out of their backs in some stages. The only way the virus is transmitted is through bites and scratches. Always carry a weapon with you. We recommend a shotgun or a machete if you encounter an infected indoors or outdoors. There will be no legal repercussions. If you don't have a weapon, lock all doors and windows. We will let you know more about the smiler virus if there is any information about it. This is a bad day for the United Kingdom and therefore the world.